Hey everybody, this is Northwell Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to use your Snap EBT card for your online Walgreens purchases. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to include a link in the description that takes you straight to Instacart where you can easily add your EBT card and start shopping at Walgreens today. And if you're a new user, you can also get free delivery on your first 3 orders. All right, now once you click on the link, you will see a page like this, and there will be an option to add EBT Snap. So if you already have an account, you can just click on Add EBT Snap, and once you click on that, it will take you to another page. And on this screen, you can just use your email to log in. And again, if you're a new user, you can just click on sign up on the bottom to create a new Instacart account and get free delivery on your first 3 orders. And just go ahead and create and just go ahead and sign up. And if you already have an account, just log in, and it is going to send you a code to your registered email. You need to enter the code, and once you enter the code, it will take you to this add payment method screen where you can add your EBT Snap. Go ahead and click on EBT Snap. And once you click on EBT Snap, you will see a screen like this where you can enter your first name, last name, and the card number. So go ahead and enter your first name, last name, and card number. And once you enter all those details, you can click on Save at the bottom. So once you enter your card details, click on Save at the very bottom. All right, and once you have added your Snap EBT card, click on Back. Just go ahead and click on the back arrow. And then on the search bar, you can just search for Walgreens. So go ahead and search for Walgreens. All right, and now you will see items which shows that those are SNAP eligible items. You will see, for example, if you can look at those things on the screen, you can see SNAP written next to it. So you can add those SNAP eligible items and click on the cart icon once you have added all the items, and then click on Go to Checkout. So once you have added all your items, click on Go to Checkout. And then you can click on Continue to Checkout. All right, and now on this screen you can just check if everything is correct. You can add a tip if you want. You can choose your timing, and if everything looks good, go ahead and click on Place Order. Oh, before that, you have to activate the EBT Snap. So once you click on the Pay With button there, you will see an option here to turn on EBT Snap. So once you turn it on, click on Confirm Payment Method so that you can charge to your EBT Snap card. And once you click on Confirm Payment Method, you can just go ahead and click on Place Order. All right, guys, that's how you use your Snap EBT for Walgreens online purchase using Instacart. And also, do you know that you can use your Snap EBT card on Amazon? I'll put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Thanks again, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day. I love you guys.